Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and I honestly did not think that a lip color could be this fun. Ciate London's Glitter Flip is the coolest formula ever. So what it is it's a liquid lipstick. It goes on very smooth, very creamy with a little bit of shine to it. But here's the kicker. When you push your lips together, glitter comes out. So check it out. Isn't that cool? So this formula is really great because it's more of a dry formula. So you don't have to worry about it transferring on to other things or, going around your mouth, leaving you with lines all over the place. You can wear it under your mask and then take it off and wow people. It's really great for a date night out, or, just playing a trick on somebody. So I'll show you how it's kiss proof. So you're going to have to worry about it when you go to kiss your special someone. So I really love this product, and that is my point of view.